And well, amid the escalating border row with China, it is Defense Minister Rajnath Singh who is on a 3-day visit to Russia. Now, while he was there, and even the Chinese Defense Minister who was present there, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, who refused to meet his counterpart, not just this, even officials refused to meet the Chinese side. Now, there was a lot of talk about what position Russia would take, but Russia made it very clear that be it India or China, they need to solve their issues themselves, and Russia will not intervene in this matter. I want to bring in our political editor Aishwarya Kapoor, who's joining us on the broadcast, because Aishwarya, Russia really settled matters there, saying that it will not intervene. But even at a time when military level talks continue between both India and China, clearly the government is seeming very measured in its approach when it comes to the kind of strategy that it is applying with China. Military level talks continue, but Defense Minister refused to meet his Chinese counterpart in Russia.
Well, absolutely, because if any communication needs to happen, it will happen either in India or in China. We are in Russia because of some other engagements, and there is no need to engage with the Chinese Defense Minister there. The Chinese Defense Minister General is right there, but then we have been clearly told that the Indian Defense Minister will not be meeting. The only bilateral, or for that matter, any meeting is only with the Russian counterparts. As far as the MEA is concerned, S. Jaishankar has basically already participated in that virtual meet, which had the Chinese as well as the Russian External Affairs ministers. And in that meeting, we have very clearly stated that the Chinese have acted as an aggressors. China need to go back. China need to de-escalate. And that is what we are being told by our sources, have been communicated back by the Indian Defense Minister and his entourage back to their Chinese counterparts, that first you need to de-escalate. Then when we are back in India, only then any kind of communication can happen, because even now Russia has made it clear that Russia does not want to mediate. Russia feels that India and China are capable enough, according to present scenario, to basically sort out the situation at the LAC on its own. It also stresses and it also emphasizes on the point that Russia also understands the importance of friendship and then close relations with India. Russia is close to China, there is no doubt about it. But at this point of time, Swesha, Russia feels that it needs to be close to India as well. And that is a clear idea to all of those countries which were trying to side with China, that this is 2020 and India is a power to reckon with, and you just cannot sideline India at any point. And as far as China is concerned, China needs to de-escalate. India is not an aggressor, but the Chinese army, if they dare to do that again, then they are going to be met with an unequivocal force and thrust back.
Absolutely, and that message is going out very clearly. India is diplomatic, at the same time assertive. India will not budge from its position, at the same time also wanting to de-escalate, and that is going out in every which action what India is putting out. On that note, Aishwarya, many thanks for joining us.